For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Eze-Ana Ugochi to be Oraifite, Mommy Pomaka Jugo. Abụbụ isi nchụaja na Ugochi to ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa family emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or the evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ my advice to children. Yes. I wee na-ekwu na onye ọbụla bụ nwa nne na nna ya enu ya. Ihe ọ pụtara bụ na eme abụzi ọkwa onye kwe ya. Maka na adị bụ nwa na-atụrụ ọsọ ngọrọngọ bụrụ onye ịtọ. Ana m achọ ịgwa gị na nne na nna gị bụ Chukwu gị na-afụ anya. You can never say that if you Chukwu n'anya without seeing loving your parents. There were millions of souls that are longing to be given opportunity to be here on earth. But it was a massive Chukwu. Nne na nna gị provided the opportunity, then you're incarnated. Emere a program here from Okuku. Na how are your parents here? It don't just happen by chance. Yes. So nne na nna gị abụ Chukwu gị na-afụ anya. Ihe ọ pụtara bụ na ọha nwa bụ ndị ngọzi ga-esi n'aka ha wee ruo gị aka. Take it or leave it. No matter how you look at your parents, maybe for you think that your father is in Kankan or your mother is in Kankan. I can tell you, ịma aga Chukwu n'iru, ịma agụgọrọ ọkpọ onye kpụ ya. Enwere ngozi na-esi n'aka nne na nna wee na-abịa. I nwere ike inweta anywhere. Yes. Ọtụtụ n'ime ihe ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ na-agbagharị from one pillar to post can actually be solved by simple blessing from the parents. I can tell you. Mee ihe ọ bụla ị kwesịrị ime ka ị nweta ngozi nne na nna. Ọkachasị ngozi nna. O funarị ihe emebigoro. And ọnya akpatara na ije na this ancient law, otherwise known as 10 commandments. That is the only law, the fourth commandment. And that is the first law given to man. The first and to the third law, where it was a master man and Chukwu relationship, you and your creator. But from the fourth commandment to the 10th commandment, is it was a basagen and madi begging. Wow. So among that 7 commandments that is meant for human, the first one is so if you want to live long life, if you want to live a fulfilled and successful life, pay attention to your father's blessings. Also, to hearing from pastor to pastor, from spiritualist to spiritualist can end by mere blessing for your parents. Before we dive into today's lecture, so pay attention. You will learn something that will change your life for good. Before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. Don't forget that we are still in the month of September. Our monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. And you can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Distance Abre Bari and all Moya and Mowaja Natuna Temple. I am my ritual I here currently 3 years now. We have massive testimonies. Yes. So here Nachiko Walagabo, no one choice in Aja. A church was this should to go in the temple to Aja, go for who be opening this way alive. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, and members of Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. It was a senior me till the last of the month. I then am pay no one a hammer. Then a temple to Aja to entities of powers, then eventually who implement Saraka. It was a make it till the last of the month. And also this way, I have again not Chicota Chicota and WhatsApp numbers are only. And I other show you all the social media population TV. Yes, so if you're interested, chat me on WhatsApp. Second announcement, if you're a child of the temple, don't forget, now in the month of September already, our annual festival for children of the temple comes on 16th of September. After I know you're a child of the temple all over the world, everyone they can participate towards making this year annual festival a huge success. Yes, and this year festival is very special festival because now all contain foundation laying of the place of worship of Chukwu Premier. So how to contribute whatever you can to make it a success. Then it was your job they are anyway fans, but make sure they were participate in here. Then chat me on WhatsApp. HF Nobody and I know you are invited on that day. Yes. Then WhatsApp number is 0805 783 7672 or 0813 Now on a screen, you have number and number. Now let's dive into today's lecture. The guys we will by topic of today is my advice to children. When I check awalagi, na mmadụ nwere ike ịbụ onye bụ ndị ụzọ mụta dị ọkpara. Ndị Igbo na-atụ ya n'ilu. Nke bụ na mmadụ ama abụ ọkpọ onye kpụ ya. Nke ịtọ, malụ na you owe your parents a huge gratitude for giving you opportunity to be here on earth. Some people don't normally have misconception of what it is. Echefukwana na ọgọdọ ga-eru nwoke ọ bụ na ebe o ruru ibia. And don't think that your father si n'elu dara ana. He was once somebody's child. Nchiodi. Mana ihe nna-achọ ịkwa gị na ihe ọ bụla iji wee tụnyere nna gị ma ọ bụ nne gị ka a ga-eji tụnyere gị. Nna-achọ ịkọwala gị bụ na irubere nne na nna isi ewu their number one law given to human. Ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na onye maara nna ya maara ndị Igbo. You can never say that n'ifu Chukwu n'anya ma abụ sị na nna anyị na-afụ anya maka na onye abụgoro Chukwu gị. I can tell you onwere Chukwu ọzọ ị na-ene anya ị na-akpọku mana ebu ụzọ recognize ya ya parents. N'ala Igbo, ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na nwata bụ onye nna enu ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayochie ya anya. Do you know what ngwongwo na ngwongwo means? I had too numerous to mention. You have our multiple challenges of life. We cover you will not even see tomorrow. Na Bible, Emma, maka ndị ga-asị ole nke ọ dị n'akwụkwọ nsọ. Jekwa na Bible ebe ọ kwuru maka the 10 commandments na akwụkwọ Deuteronomy ọsị. Na the 4th commandment, sọpụrụ nna gị na nne gị ka ndụ gị wee too ogologo. Yes. So, meaning na agwụgwọ m ụnụ mgbe mbụ nna akụwara ụnụ gbasara 10 commandments. Na 10 commandments has been in existence. It's an ancient book. It's a law. Nsọ-Ana. Ewee sị na number 1 na number 3 wee bụ gbasara Chineke. Nsọpụrụ a ga-enye na ịkwa ya ugwu dịrị. Mana from the 4th to 10th, that is the 7th commandment, all of them, all the 7, is etu ọ ga-esi wee dịrị mmadụ mma. And among that 7, the first one they with the 4th commandment. So, and those ya bụ commandment nwere clause na ya. Ndị ọzọ agwara ga-egburu ọchụ. Ga-enara ewere ọkụ mmadụ ibe gị anya, ga-enara nwunye mmadụ ibe gị anya, ma ọ dị na nwunye mmadụ ibe gị ma ezuru ori nke a. Mana sọ nke a bụ nke a sị na ọ bụrụ na ime ya ka ndụ gị wee dị anya. Ịfụ ntị ọ dị. Ha machi gwa gị na this commandment is the height of it all. Ka gwa gị ihe ị mara. Because ọ na-abụ na-akụzi akụwara na what you don't know remains a mystery to you. What kept me where I am today is blessing I received from my late father. In the spiritual realm, yes, there were millions of souls looking for opportunity to be here. Because as a spirit jam, you are unconscious of who you are. That is why if I ask you where were you in the last 1,000 years, do you know? You don't know. You're unconscious. So, in coming to this gross material world, in the spiritual realm, opportunity was presented for you to reincarnate. And the millions of souls are waiting for opportunity to be provided by parents in order for them to see the opportunity to reincarnate. So you are owing your parents huge gratitude for making that opportunity possible, because if not, you will not be here. And you will be in the spiritual realm and be useless. Because at that particular year, you are still a spirit jam. You are not perfected yourself. You cannot even join Otundi chair because you have not perfected yourself. You are just a spirit jam. So, for giving you opportunity, if you know how things work, you always thank your parents. Thank you, daddy. Thank you, mommy, for giving me opportunity to be here. Because by the time they give you opportunity, the destiny is already in your hands to make use of that opportunity given to you. So, if you misuse it, you die. So, what am I saying? You should be thanking your parents, not the other way around. Some ignorant people, fools, will be telling you, I can tell you that you owe the person of gratitude for giving you that opportunity because it's for your own benefit. And don't forget that your father you are talking about was once somebody's child. Yes. And the man on the going to do only call you. I can tell you that some of these things you are seen as challenges of life, Robert taking you to Dibia, spiritualists, and pastors, and rest of them, can actually be solved by going back to your father, to your parents, to solicit for blessings. Ekwana ka ihe ọbụla ga-eme ka nne gị ma ọ bụ nna gị pụọ gị ọnụ because ị ga-eji eze ma ekwere. Ịrụta nwatakịrị na-akụ nna ya n'iyi, ịrụtara ihe mere ya. Definitely he didn't have the blessing of the father. Mana mgbe o megidoro nwatakịrị na ndị Igbo na-atụ isi na nwa onye begido onwe ya anwụghị obeferochi enwe nwe ya nwa agbadi obeferochi o wee jee na mba dị iche iche wee skwanda ihe niile wutu ndị ofe ka ibia maka ọ bụrụ na o nwere ezigbo ndị akọ ha ga-agwụ ya go and seek the blessing of your father. Mana ọ ndị ofe ka o nwere ha nyere ya aka squander all the squandamias asquandachazie ya mana uru ya nwatakịrị nwere ụlọ o mechara otu ụbọchị o wee lụta. Mana I can tell you no privileged few ga-elụta ndị ofe ka ha mere ka nwere ike join na nne pụrụ mmiri ọ ya elụta na ọ ga-eje apologize. But I can tell you na mgbe ọ apologize na ndụ ya gbanwere. So amara m ihe na pass through. No matter what, if you like, go believe in your pastor, also chụọ aja dị iche iche to your spiritualist, mana ị nwetara blessing for your root. I can tell you o nwere ka ị ga-esi mgbe ya mkpụrụ na ndụ a ma eweziga gị once you detach yourself from the root ị ga-sustain. Now go back to us, apart from me you can do nothing. Now what Jeremiah 6 verse 16 or say, and I quote, ọ bụrụ na ịpụta mgbe ọbụla dị confused na ndụ a jụọ ese kere ụzọ ahụ ndị nna nna gị soro na mbụ. As for the ancient path followed by ancestors, and you cannot be talking about your ancestors as long as you are the real son of the soil. You must remain with the main branch, the main tree and root in order to receive the blessings of your ancestors. And I can tell you, without the blessing of your ancestors, you can never succeed in life. Apart from them, you can do nothing. Because now have the backbone. Oh, my ancestors, this is my son, this is my daughter, bless them for me. Oh, now even Christianity, I say, no, how I would no Jesus in the but I saw you on again and negative one. If they give good account of you, let me tell you, nobody had about the free. Yes, or shorty, whatever I told me square. Mano boy got again and back. When I got so more, this is whom my son, whom I'm well pleased. Bless him. If he lack grantor, you have food from war. Even in Nigeria. Almost some certain benefits, each of them water from government, from bank, from people. Even from people. Almost some certain benefit you will look from me. I'll ask you to go and bring grantor. Only one actually knows on certain things. Oh, I say, okay, shorty, because I shorty. Oh, yeah, another number. The two according and do. Your parents say, boy, your grantor. Oh, I won't dig a guarantee. Now, more woman, no, you are born in Kai because she goes here. Oh, where you are born, oh, here is. I say, wow. I can tell you, my father is my grantor. I remember when I was growing up. If you like, we'll do investigation. And then my name is my mother go. Ask from Anuru damage Obesume or if go and do your own investigation because here now we have met. Ask people around what is the relationship between me and my late father. We will always tell you that my late father I happened to be the favorite. When he was sick, he asked, I was in Abuja, asked for me to come and see him. And I remember I came down and stayed with him before eventually a person within a few weeks or days. So what am I saying? I happen to be my favorite. The only thing is that he recognizes me as his very close and keep blessing me that my son shall be well with you. And I tell you, if I tell you the stories of how I began to be successful, it will be from my father. The first miracle that happened in my life when I came back to Eze-Ana is what my father has approved. That's why even to today, every month. I can't want me to go to without to call my late father because and with that harmony between us. And I can tell you, it become my mouthpiece in the spiritual realm. So I don't know what you are passing through. Open again and again, no go to many were ọjị were akwa jibe n'ime ya chacha na nwata ma gwa gị ihe ị ga-eme mana ọ bụrụ na ọ ka dị ndụ ị nwere good opportunity because ọ ya adịrị gị mfe iru ebe a chọrọ ihe ọ na-eri ihe na ọ na-ala iru ebe a isekpụ na si ya na ya na-edi very sorry ya forgive you nature ka o bless ya based on ihe mere o nwere ike ịdịrị ya difficult at that moment mana eventually even if na o bechara akwa o nwere ike imecha ọ gọzie gị ya enwebe aṅụrị nsogbu anaghị. I can tell you that 50% of your problem have been solved. Go and dominate. Mana ọ bụrụ na ị na-akpasu nna gị iwe sorry wafa maka inwe ike imecha ị na-ajụ na ọ dị ka nwere ihe mere na onye mere onwe ya maka na azụbụ ụlọ onwe ya ti n'ọnụ aga iyi onye ka ọ ya ajụ ihe mere ndị ya. Stop rushing from one spiritualist to the other or your pastor or your dibia. Go and be at peace with your parents whether dead or alive. And I can tell you that problem be at go solve 50%. Can you say that? In one you don't see about nature about the family. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 or 0813 8243 871. Ekpere ekwem na Chineke ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi duwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile ọ bụ m siri ike na Chineke emewuru m ya ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu oke pụrụ ime ihe niile be with you all. Ka emesịa.